Hello, this is Steve Thoele, Principal Broker with Premier Property Group, and bringing you another quick update on the Newberg Oregon real estate market. This update is going to cover the last 6 weeks of market activity, ending this past Sunday, April 17th. So I'm going to share my screen with you now and go through some info with you. First thing we'll look at is active listing activity. So the blue bars is new listings by week. So this last week, I showed that we only had 6 homes come on the market here in Newberg, which you can see is down here from the prior few weeks. And it's actually kind of a low for the 6 weeks, it looks like. And then we finished the week at 22 homes on the market, which is down from the prior couple of weeks here. Median list price and days on market for the actives, you can kind of see that that's been very steady in terms of the list price at $625 here over the 6 weeks. And then the days on market's been a little jumpy, had a high of 37 here 6 weeks ago, a low of 3. This last week we came in at 13. Moving over to the pending sales activity. Again, the blue bars is new pendings by week. So we had 9 last week, down from 15 the week prior, but kind of right in line with where it's been on average over the past 6 weeks here. Finished the week at 58 homes in pending status, which again's been pretty tight range with the pendings, kind of right in the middle. And then median price and days on market for those pendings, that's been kind of moving around here a little bit. Had a high of 539 6 weeks ago, dipped down to 482 a month ago, and this last week came in at 525, which was unchanged from the week prior. And then we had 5 days of market time on average across the whole 6 weeks here, so that hasn't moved at all. Lastly, we'll look at sold listing activity. So as of the time I put this together, I showed that we had 13 homes close last week in Newberg. It kind of matches a high for the 6 weeks period here. And then when I look back over a 4-week period, or the last month basically, show that we had 43 homes close, and that's the same as the week prior. It kind of matches a high for the 6-week period. And then the median sold price and days on market for the solds, that's been trending up in general. I had a low of 500 6 weeks ago, and this last week came right in at 600,000, which was a high for the 6 weeks. And then days on market, again, very steady between 4 and 5 days of market time on average over the 6 weeks. And then lastly, we'll look at the weeks of inventory and sale price as a percent of the original list price. So the red bars is weeks of inventory. It's it hasn't moved a ton. It's been between a little under 2 to a little above 3 weeks of inventory. So this last week kind of came in right in the middle of that, right at 2 weeks of inventory. And then the sale price as a percent of the list price, you can kind of see over the last 3 weeks here, it's been well above asking price, 2 to almost 3% above the original asking prices where homes have been selling for. So still paints a very competitive seller's market environment in Newberg for sure, which has been that way for quite some time. So to get a better look at this update, you can always click the link or button below the video. It'll take you to my website where you can have a closer look. So hope this market update's been helpful and informative for you. If you don't already have a real estate professional that you know and trust, I certainly would welcome the opportunity to become your trusted realtor and help you move through life. So just give me a call at 503-680-2065 or send me a message through my website, and I would be happy to help. So thanks for watching and have a great day.